Hey everybody, on this video we got a Nissan door lock. I'm going to use the NSN14 8-cut Lishi. This the 8-cut's the preferred one for the door. If you're doing an ignition, you'd want to have the 10-cut. But in my daily work here, I don't think I've actually ever had a Lishi one. You don't have to probably do it if locks were changed, which these ignitions seem to last longer than other kinds of cars, so they don't get replaced as much as maybe like a Honda or something. So anyway, there's our key, and we're going to see if we can go ahead and get it picked open here. So we got the tool inserted in, and first thing I need to do is just figure out, what's what here. So I've got 3 through 10 on this. That looks like odd numbers going up and even going down. And so now we're just going to apply some tension, and we'll just go through looking for binders. So 3 is not binding, 4 is not, okay, 5 not, nothing on 6, okay, 7 is actually binding here. Click on 7, got some rotation on it. Okay, 8's not binding. 9 might be, but I don't know, if you're not sure to leave it alone, you can always go back to it. Okay, see, 10 is definitely binding, so nice click on 10. So I think 9 has a little bit of a spring to it, so I'm just going to leave it alone. Okay, 4, nice click. Okay, 5, got a little more rotation. 6. Okay, 7's kind of stiff. I'm going to click on 7. 8. Okay, I think 9 is binding now, I think. Or 9 is going to be a 4-cut, and so it's not going to pick. That might be what's going on with that. Yeah, that's exactly what it is here. 9 must be a 4-cut. So now we have it picked here, we can actually go ahead and decode it. And remember, on Lishis, the tool itself sets the tallest wafers. That's pretty much across the board. So my guess is going to be that 9 is going to be a 4, but anyway, we'll go through and decode it here. Hopefully we can see. Okay, so 3 looks like it's a 1. 4 is a 3. 5 a 2. 6 is a 3. 7 I think is a 2. 8's a 2. 9 definitely a 4, so we're going to have to pick it. And 10 is a 3. And so that's decoded here, and there's a key for it. Okay, you see the key does work and everything. So anyway, it's the NSN14 8-cut Lishi. Picking and decoding a Nissan door lock. If you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comments. And if you have any suggestions for other Lishis you want to see videos on, let me know. Somebody else said HU64, and I do have the Lishi, I just don't have a lock. So next time I'm at the junkyard, I'll pick one up and do that. And that's, I guess, all we got for this video. Well, I'll talk to everybody later.